Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to clear the DaVinci Resolve render cache. Let's get started. You'll want to do this when you finish working on a project to free up storage space on your drive. Render caches can get pretty huge, especially if you're handling multiple client projects each month. I'll show you two ways: clearing cache project by project, and the nuclear option to clear all render caches at once. First, let's handle a single project. Go up to the menu, click on Playback, and then select Delete Render Cache. Choose All, and then press Delete. This clears the cache for just the current project. You'll see all your renders disappear, freeing up space immediately. Now, if you want to clear the render cache for every project, go to Preferences. Make sure you're on the System tab and look for Media Storage. This shows you the folder where all your cache files are stored. To delete them, open that folder, highlight everything using Command+A, and move the files to the bin. Don't forget to empty your recycle bin or trash afterwards, so they are completely removed from your system. And that's it. Whether you want to clear cache for a single project or clean up your entire system, this method will help keep your drive organized and free of the unnecessary files. Thanks for watching.